DevOps is now the most buzzing word in the software industry. Decode DevOps presenting a master AWS DevOps and Python Automation course based on real-time projects, which provides you the deeper insights into DevOps methodologies and industry-standard tools, will help you secure a minimum of 8 lakhs per annum package. So what is DevOps? DevOps is a set of practices that combine software development and IT operations. It aims to shorten the system's development life cycle and provide continuous delivery with high software quality. Why learn DevOps? One future-oriented course. It will enhance your skill set with in-demand future-proof expertise. 2. Higher salary and increments. DevOps engineer earns $130,000 on AVG. Their earning potential tends to increase significantly due to high demand. 3. High demand. According to Indeed, India and the US will face a huge demand-supply gap of DevOps engineers by 2026. 4. Growing DevOps trends. Industry analysts predict the global DevOps market to reach a staggering $64.45 billion by 2030, with a CAGR of 24.7% year-on-year. 5. Master the cutting-edge tech. DevOps and automation professionals are equipped with various relevant skills that fetch 80% increased job offers than others. 6. 1.5 million job postings. There is a global estimate of 1.5 million job postings for DevOps and automation roles by 2026. Who can benefit from the Master AWS DevOps and Automation using Python course? IT professionals, software developers, system administrators, non-technical background candidates, fresh graduates, and engineers. This is your moment to decode the cloud tech. Don't settle for average. Unleash your potential and claim your place as a DevOps master. Ditch the job hunt and become the hunted by enrolling in the Master AWS DevOps and Python Automation course. Equip yourself with the skills that top tech companies crave, securing high-paying roles in the booming cloud space. Limited seats available. Enroll now and unlock exclusive early bird discounts. Get access to bonus career guidance sessions. Join a thriving community of cloud enthusiasts. Invest in your future. Decode DevOps, decode the cloud, and decode your success.